What if I told you the most practical car that you can buy in 2026 also happens to be one of the fastest? We are talking 577 horsepower, a turbocharged inline 6, an electric motor, all-wheel drive, and most important, 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. This is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG E53 hybrid wagon, and I genuinely think it might be the most well-rounded performance car in the market right now. Hey guys, welcome back to AutoTech Review. My name is Rishi, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this E53 hybrid wagon so that you can make a good decision. So first of all, let's start with the design. So before we take a look at the design, let's take a look at the length of this wagon, because this car is really big. We are talking 195.5 inches long. This is over 16 feet of German muscle. This is not a crossover pretending to be a wagon. This is the real deal. Now if you take a look at the front, the first thing you notice is that illuminated grille. It actually lights up. You have got that aggressive AMG face with a gloss black front apron that makes it look wide and planted. Standard wheels are 20 inches, but upgrade to the 21 inches forged option and you'll start seeing those massive brake discs peeking through, and they are huge. Now if you walk around the back, this is where it gets fun. 4 exhaust pipes, 4 plus a sporty diffusers underneath that makes it look like it just came off a racetrack. And if anyone still doesn't know what they are looking at, there's a red E53 badge on the back to clean things up. Overall, it's classy but aggressive. It looks like a family car from a distance, but get up close and the details tell a different story. This thing means business. Okay, so now the fun stuff. Let's see what you're getting under the hood. Under the hood, you have got a turbocharged 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor. Together, they are making 577 horsepower, and if you hit the optional race start mode, that actually jumps up to 604 horsepower. All that power goes to all 4 wheels, and Mercedes says it will do 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds. Now, the clever part, it's a plug-in hybrid. So on daily basis, you can drive on pure electric power for around 40 to 50 miles. That means your school runs and the grocery trips. You might not burn a single drop of gas, but when you want to have fun, believe me, that engine wakes up and roars. Now let's talk about the part why you even consider this wagon over an SUV, the boot space. If I talk about the boot space in numbers, with the rear seats up, you are getting about 615 liters of cargo capacity, which is a big enough boot space, even with the rear seats up. Now, if you still want more space, you can fold down those rear seats. To fold it down, it's really simple. You have the buttons in the back. You can push the buttons and the seat will fold down automatically. Now, after folding down the rear seats, you are getting massive 1830 liters of cargo capacity, which is compared to any other SUV gives you a better number. And here's what I love. The battery is tucked neatly under the floor so it doesn't eat into the cargo space. You get a flat, wide, deep boot, perfect for the luggage, sports gear or a full Costco run. Okay, so now before we step inside, I want to give a huge shout out to Mercedes-Benz Brampton and Pankaj for providing me this all-new 2026 Mercedes-AMG E53 hybrid wagon. If you are in the market looking for a Mercedes, don't forget to check them out. They have great inventory. Don't forget to connect with Pankaj. He'll help you get the numbers on this wagon or any other Mercedes if you want. Now, let's step inside. Okay, so now we are inside this E53 cabin, and this is where the Mercedes really shows off. First of all, if you take a look at the cabin, the first thing you'll notice is this big 14.4 inches center touchscreen with the 12.3 inches digital display, and you're also getting an optional super screen which adds a third display just for your front passenger so they can watch their own content while you're driving. This whole thing runs on the latest MBUX system with the smart voice control. So if you want to tell something to the Mercedes, just say, "Hey Mercedes," and it will listen. And now if I tell you about the sound system in this new Mercedes, you are getting 17 speakers with Burmester surround sound system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. Now if I tell you about the seats, the seat is pretty comfortable, as you can see. First of all, you are getting this AMG badging on the seat with the Mercedes logo in the center of the headrest, and you can control the headrest as well with the button from the back. You can control it, move it forward and backward. Now if you talk about the seats, you are getting heated and ventilated seats option with the massaging feature as well. The seats actually feels really comfortable. You are getting this grip here on the sides and beside the thighs here as well, which means if you are driving fast and you are taking quick turns, the seats will hold you at its place. Now if you take a look at the steering wheel, you are getting the AMG style performance steering wheel. It is wrapped in Napa leather and microfiber, thick and grippy, with the little built-in dials that let you switch the driver mode without taking your hands off the steering wheel. Okay, so now what about the people in the back? The good news is this is built on the long E-Class wagon body, which means you are getting good enough legroom here. As you can see, I have big legroom and good enough headroom as well. Now, if you talk about the features, you are not getting much in terms of features. First of all, you are getting your speakers here, Burmester speakers. Then you are getting 2 AC vents here, some storage space, 2 USB-C ports with the fast charging, some storage here behind the seats, and your phone holder and 2 cup holders here with the armrest. The seats are pretty comfortable. If you are going on a long trip, the passenger sitting in the back will not be uncomfortable in any way. Again, the seats will pull you in. So if the driver is moving the car really quickly, you'll not be really uncomfortable in the back. You'll not move like this because the seats will pull you in. As you know, this is a wagon. You are not getting a third row here. So this is a 5-seater. Okay, so now let me tell you the price that you have to pay to get this E53 hybrid wagon in your driveway. In US, you have to pay somewhere around $95,500 just to start. And in Canada, expect to pay somewhere around 115,000 Canadian dollars. Yes, it's not cheap, but it undercuts its competition, which is BMW M5 Touring, by around $30,000. So should you buy it? It's a simple yes. Why? It's fast, it's practical, it's efficient, and on top of it, it looks incredible. Yes, it's a bit pricey, but if you want one car you'll ever need, this is it. That's my take on the 2026 Mercedes-Benz E53 hybrid wagon. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Do let me know in the comment section, if you get a choice, will you choose a wagon or an SUV? Goodbye for now. See you next time.